Thank you so much, my beloved viewers. I want to categorically respond to the post of my little brother from the land of the Pushites, that's none other than my young Tut, who stated so clearly that the stupidity of Muhoozi will land Ugandans living in Southern Sudan in trouble. And he said, mark this, which means to an elite like me that a decision has been arrived at. But allow me educate you, my little brother, that any decision made in the August House represents the interest of the Ugandans. But anything that was not debated upon in the August House represents an interest of few individuals. In other words, Muhoozi and his decisions, or with his cohorts, the decisions they made, it is not as a result of the interest of Ugandans. So he represents the voice of the few interested in warmongering. Now, I will tell you this, Muhoozi does not represent the interest of Ugandans in any way. I'll repeat, he represents the interest of his few friends and other warmongers. So should there happen to be anything like you have stated against the Ugandans living in Southern Sudan, living and working in Southern Sudan, I want to promise you that you will also see what some of us, the silent majority, are capable of doing. Mark you, the presence of the Ugandans living and working in Southern Sudan is not even 50% of the refugees from Southern Sudan living in Uganda, living in various camps and living in different residential areas. We know all these places, but you know, we are well informed and we do understand international laws, and that is why there are certain things we cannot do. So I want you to understand that whatever decision you are making, you should be very careful, because that will also put the lives of the Southern Sudanese living in Uganda at stake, because we shall not allow our innocent bloods to be punished over what they don't know. So that will be blood for blood. Thank you very much.
Hello, Zonji Media. Can you tell me who you are and what you're here for?
My name is Gelfin Malwal.
Yeah.
I am an activist, a political activist.
Yeah.
And I am a human rights activist.
Yeah.
So the reason we are here today is to advocate for human rights violation that is happening in South Sudan.
What's a violation?
The killing, the genocide and ethnic cleansing that is happening in Nasser, London County, Acholi,
Yeah.
and the Chope.
How long has it been happening?
The ethnic cleansing has been going on for the past 10 years.
Yeah.
But recently it has again come to life.
Yeah.
The President Salva Kiir using deadly chemical weapon against the civilian of Nasser.
Yeah.
And bringing in mercenaries to help them commit this genocide and ethnic cleansing against the Nur people.
Mercenaries. They're bringing mercenaries.
Mercenaries, yeah.
Who are the mercenaries? Can you explain?
The mercenaries is something called the UPDF, which is the Ugandan People Defense Force.
Okay, so Ugandan troops in South Sudan. Why are they there? What's the reason?
They are there to help President Salva Kiir commit its crime and stay in power.
But that's not their country, is it?
Yeah, that's not their country, but they have been paid to help commit this genocide.
Yeah.
And you know that Ugandan government is a criminal by himself.
Yeah.
He has been in power for more than 40 years.
Right.
So the same person that is trying to help
Yeah.
be in power is a person who has been in power now for more than 20 years, avoiding election,
Yeah.
causing conflicts and seizing war in intense power.